It's a full moon tonight, so today's challenge is to go outside and howl at the moon.
So, if we shrunk down the Earth and the moon, and the Earth was about the size of a basketball, the moon would be about the size of a tennis ball. The diameter of the moon is 1/4 the length of the diameter of the Earth. The moon is about 30 times the diameter of the Earth away from the Earth. So in our example, that's about 30 feet or 15 steps. The moon's trip around the sun takes about 28 days, and it's in a synchronous rotation, which means for every trip around the sun, the moon rotates 1 time on its axis. Since the moon's path around the sun is an elliptical instead of a circle, which is more like an oval, for tonight's full moon, it's going to be on the closest part of its path, which is called the perigree, so it's going to be like a super moon. So when you go out to look at the full moon, notice how big it looks when it's first rising.
Tonight the sun sets around 7:30, which means the moon rises at the same time. Bring your family outside to check it out.